you can just smooth it out. So I'll just go ahead and do the whole thing here. So each time I'm trying to find that wrinkle.
Yeah, I see that.
Tuck.
You're trying to get this thing.
Exactly. Try and run that out.
And you don't want to listen to the grinder.
Yeah, you guys get a lot of flack for that on your channel.
You don't want
Yeah, I was talking to somebody about it yesterday. They're like, that dang grinder.
How you have your bowl shaped here is helping you get that tuck.
Exactly. Absolutely.
See how that's shaped like an egg? When he's whacking in there, that's where he's getting his tuck.
If you want like a sharper shape for sharper things, wider shape for wider things. We even have one here. Like if you're trying to shrink the bottom edge of a motorcycle gas tank, it's a really, really sharp shape. I would use something like that. You'd still be able to get it.
Right.
So.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. I'm just kind of like, you know, that's another thing too. You know, as I'm watching him make this shape, I'm trying to apply it to something, if you know what I'm saying. So basically something like this would be make it custom. If you're making a shape like that, you're really actually making something that probably, what can I say?
Well, like the corners on a pickup truck cab, like say when you guys did that, forget what kind of car it was, but you made a truck out of a car. Was it Oldsmobile? Plymouth. Yeah.
And had to make the cab for those
cab corners, that kind of thing, right? Yes. Depending on the shape of the sheet metal, you know, it could be repair panels for just about anything, right? That same technique would be, say you wanted to create that piece.
Yes.
There'd be, you know, a tuck here, a tuck here, a tuck here, same thing there.
Right.
And then you would just planish it. You'd make that exact piece, you know?
Okay.
So that paper, if you were to apply a piece of paper to that and it would wrinkle in those spots, that's exactly where you'd want to knock those tucks in.
Do you have a piece? No. All right, so this is the first piece. We'll call this the Gene Winfield piece. More my style. And basically if you want to create an egg, and this is called the tucker. Is it called the tucker?
Yeah.
It's called the tucker.
The mother tucker.
You was explaining to me before that this plastic here grabs the metal instead of sliding on the metal.
Right.
Also. And that's what makes it a tucker instead of a sucker?
Yeah, the nylon has grip strength.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, absolutely. For different types of plastic, if you're using plastic.
This one, I could put my peanuts in. This one, I'd put my cigarette butts in.
Yeah, there you go.
So you're going to take this to this shape now?
Yeah,
you're gonna take that
we'll take
shape?
it right to there. Yeah. So I'm going to smooth it out a little bit and do a little bit of stretching with the sandbag. What did I do with that sandbag?
Sandbags right here?
Yeah. So we'll stretch the center with the sandbag a little bit.